She's like, I can't wait for Obama to see these guns.
Who said that? I love when there's an erection commercial in the background of my fucking Christmas video.
That is kind of funny.
You want one now?
Sure, if you want.
Yes, I very much want.
No, get out here in the light.
I am.
Yeah, it's really hard to see.
Probably might be too heavy for you.
It is.
Oh.
Really a selfie stick?
Huh?
Is it really? Oh.
Jeez, take a joke.
Hi, Grandma.
Don't take my
Your
picture.
sister.
Take Max. Take
I
Max.
knew it was a camera.
Take that Maxie. He's a good fella for that one.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
Our dogs don't work.
Oh, poor deaf and blind. Poor deaf and blind dog. Oh.
Maxie is a good fella for the dog.
Go.
Holy!
Oh my God, it's a machine gun. Is that an assault rifle? Is that fucker black? Is that black? That's an assault rifle.
Well, what do you think of that?
You're a fucking terrorist. Are you a what do you need? What do you need an assault rifle for?
Dave's like,
What? Why do you kids need assault rifles?
Kill boys.
Oh, keep the boys away.
Yeah.
Oh, look at how black that is. That's a black rifle.
Are you taking a video or a picture?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is going on YouTube, man. This is bullshit. These little girls getting assault rifles for Christmas.
You shut the fuck up.
can you hand me my phone?
I gotta take a picture of this. Oh God.
Little American blonde-haired girls with assault rifles. It's unbelievable. The guy that looks like a terrorist, he got a fishing tackle.
Go away before you're the first victim.
I'll take a picture later.
Freaking unbelievable.
Does it kick?
No.
You can just shoot it.
Don't shoot it in the house.
I like this. I like this a lot.
You know what we're gonna have to get her?
What?
A tripod.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I know it now. I think I know.
You can shoot rats with that.
Alright.
If I was
How
good
about
at
here? Let's open the ones we got.
Okay. Grandma says, go help him. She said, go help him.
Shut up. What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with you?
I was making a Christmas video.
Well, you're
my God,
gonna. Jeez. Stop pointing.
Oh my god!
Oh, jeez. These are what we saw at Walgreens. The one bigger than me. His name is Mr. Fluffles.
I'm gonna cry. I really wanted one.
Oh, Jesus.
He's a big son of a bitch.
She's crying. Oh, jeez. Did you hear the Obama joke about the guns?
No.
She's like, I can't wait for Obama to see these guns.
Who said that? Ah.
Tori's gonna be so jealous. I love it. He's bigger. Josie's crying. She's so thankful.
This is the best gift besides the camera. Whoa.
Stop it. Don't be dumb.
Ooh, those are cute.
I know, right? Dude, I was gonna have to get a pair of these too with my Christmas money. I got gloves, a scarf, and I got a really cute t-shirt.
Oh. Oh, that's pretty.
Now what do you got?
Ooh, it's my favorite color, maroon.
My favorite color, red.
What is it?
It's a sleeping bag. It's a sleeping bag.
Can't we go
Now don't open them up. That's for camp.
camping?
Huh?
Do you think they'll let me take that to church camp?
I don't think so.
I'm gonna marry that teddy bear someday.
Better than boys.
Here, I'm gonna go get my life-size bear.
Not really.
Yes.
Alright, don't roughhouse it.
Throw it down and wrestle it.
Yeah. I'm sleeping on the floor tonight. I won't turn on.
What's his name?
Mr. Fluffles.
Does yours have a name?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. You
I
got-
haven't got to know him yet.
I see. I don't think. Sorry, is that too
Don't do
bright?
that.
Is that kind of bright?
Fifth.
24.
Fifth.
For tomorrow's Christmas.
What time is it? I kind of want to get my room clean now just to have that on my bed.
Excuse me. I gotta go so I fuck with these kids' toys. Punch my fucking brother videotaping me.
Yeah. Another one?
Jeez. If I could only get it open.
Yeah, baby.
What makes that? What are you doing that for?
It's a strobe. A strobe.